There's nothing I love more in winter than a beautiful, heartwarming soup. So chef and ambassador of Light and Easy, Dom, is here to show us a gorgeous pumpkin recipe soup.
Yes,
Fantastic.
exactly. And Justine, of course, I have a few secrets from Light and Easy to give this soup just a little bit of extra flavour and also creaminess without adding too much fat. Now, this is so simple, this recipe. So what we're going to do, we're starting with onions that we've already roasted in the oven. Okay. So just diced onion, hot oven, 180 degrees for about 7 minutes until they're nice and golden. And all it is just some boiling water, stove on, pumpkin and onions in, and we're going to cook this until the pumpkins are really nice and soft.
Yes.
And blend it.
And we don't always need to use stock. I think water with a pumpkin soup that's simple as this is a great idea. So you really taste the flavour of the onions and the pumpkin.
The pumpkin. Well, that's right. And the onions, be it that they are roasted, are going to give that richness to the soup as well that you will probably normally get from if you were going to use stock. And this is a great way, you mentioned ideal for winter, but also a great way of getting more vegetables in our diet. I mean, I don't know about you, but I find it hard to get those 5 cups of vegetables in my diet. So Justine, we're just going to bring this to the boil, cook until the pumpkin's nice and tender, and then we're going to blend it.
Great.
So Justine, that's lovely and smooth. I'm just going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay. Now, pumpkin soup is not pumpkin soup without a little bit of cream, but we've got a bit of a twist. So instead of cream, we're using light evaporated milk.
I don't usually use evaporated milk.
No, but it's really handy to have a tin in the pantry. What this does, it's going to add that creaminess without us having to add too much cream, but also a really great protein boost as well.
Nice.
So we are going to add in just a splash, and I'm talking probably about a little tablespoon, even if not half, just to kind of, for that silky texture. That's all you need.
So you're saying I probably shouldn't have given you a jug of that much? I'm learning, Dom. I'm learning.
I know. And you know, it's very hard when we're so used to pouring in cream and stuff. But you really don't need it. And this is the whole point of, you know, Light and Easy sharing these great secrets with you. So that's ready to serve out. And I would love for you to taste this because I want to get your opinion on the creaminess and the texture and the flavour of this soup using that evaporated milk.
It looks creamy. And,
doesn't it?
And you've blended that until it's quite smooth.
Really smooth.
All right.
Have a little taste.
Oh, Dom, that's really good.
It's delicious, isn't it? Look, if you're sitting at home and you're thinking, oh, I don't have time, I'm not a great cook, or I don't have the ingredients, you can have the Light and Easy version of this in your freezer and it's ready in 4 minutes.
Perfect for winter.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a taste.